Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to avoid common PayPal eBay scam. Online scams are becoming more common, especially when buying or selling through PayPal and eBay. Scammers often use fake emails, fake invoices, overpayment tricks, or shipping scams to steal your money or personal information. Knowing the warning signs can help you protect your account and complete transactions safely. Now let's get started. First, never trust emails or messages that ask for your PayPal login details or personal information. Now check the sender carefully before clicking any links or downloading attachments. Then avoid paying invoices or money requests for products, services, or cryptocurrency that you never ordered. After that, don't call phone numbers or open suspicious links included in unexpected invoices or emails. Now be careful if a buyer sends more money than the purchase price and asks you to refund the difference. Then never wire money or send refunds outside the original PayPal transaction. After that, watch out for fake shipping companies, prepaid shipping label scams, or requests to reroute packages. Now avoid offers that promise guaranteed profits, prize winnings, or business opportunities that seem too good to be true. Then donate only to charities you know and trust and verify their details before sending money. If you receive a suspicious email, message, or website pretending to be PayPal, forward it to phishing@paypal.com and then delete it from your inbox. Finally, if you're unsure about a payment, invoice, or buyer, don't complete the transaction until you've verified that it's legitimate. That's how you can avoid common PayPal and eBay scams and keep your account and money safe. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.